Want to boost your laptop's performance? Welcome to a world where artificial intelligence is not just a futuristic concept, but an integral part of our everyday computing. It's an era where AI is transforming the way we use our laptops, enhancing their performance and helping us get more done, faster and smarter. Imagine having a video editing software that uses AI to transform your raw footage into stunning videos effortlessly. Picture a smart data analytics tool that offers you valuable insights and predicts outcomes, revolutionizing your laptop data management. Visualize an advanced security software powered by AI algorithms, keeping your data safe and secure. Imagine immersing yourself in a virtual world, attending meetings or playing games using AI-enabled virtual reality software. And what about an AI-backed tool for music composition, assisting you in creating melodies and writing lyrics? It's no longer a fantasy, it's reality. So are you ready to take your laptop to the next level? Picture this, a tool that transforms your raw footage into stunning videos effortlessly. Welcome to the world of AI-powered video editing software, where the magic of artificial intelligence meets the art of visual storytelling. This innovative technology applies complex algorithms and machine learning to automate the intricate process of video editing, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, available 24/7, ready to turn your ideas into captivating visual narratives. So how does it work? AI-powered video editing software analyzes your raw footage, identifies the key scenes, and stitches them together into a coherent sequence. It can also automatically adjust color grading, balance audio levels, and even suggest the ideal place for transitions, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human editor. But the real beauty of this technology lies in its adaptability. It learns from your preferences and style, improving with each video you create. It's not just about cutting and pasting clips, but about understanding your vision and helping you bring it to life. And the benefits, they're manifold. For one, it saves you time. No more hours spent scrubbing through footage or tweaking settings. It also opens up a world of creative possibilities. Want to add a cinematic filter? Or maybe some slick transitions? With AI-powered video editing software, you can do all that and more with just a few clicks. Moreover, this technology democratizes video editing. It puts the power of professional-grade tools in the hands of amateur filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators. It levels the playing field, allowing anyone with a story to tell to do so in the most compelling way possible. So whether you're a seasoned filmmaker looking to streamline your workflow or a novice just starting your creative journey, AI-powered video editing software is a game changer. It's about more than just making videos, it's about telling your story, your way, with precision, speed, and a touch of AI magic. With AI-driven video editing tools, you're not just editing, you're creating masterpieces. Scene script. Imagine making decisions based on reliable, analyzed data. Welcome to the world of smart data analytics. This cutting-edge technology is here to revolutionize how you manage data on your laptop. But first, let's break it down. What exactly is smart data analytics? Well, it's a set of AI tools designed to assist you in analyzing vast amounts of information. It's like having your personal data scientist sitting right inside your laptop, working tirelessly to make sense of the digital chaos. Now, you might be wondering, why would you need such a tool? The answer is simple. We live in a world where data is the new oil. Every click, every search, every download leaves a digital footprint. These footprints, when properly analyzed, can provide valuable insights. They can tell you about your habits, your preferences, and even predict what you might be interested in next. But here's the catch. The amount of data we produce is astronomical, far beyond human capabilities to analyze and interpret. That's where smart data analytics comes in. It takes this overwhelming volume of data and transforms it into something meaningful and actionable. It sifts through the noise to find the signals, the patterns, the trends, all this right from the comfort of your laptop. Imagine, for example, you're running a small online business. You have customer data, sales reports, marketing metrics, all scattered across different files. With smart data analytics, you can aggregate this data, analyze it, and derive insights that can guide your business decisions. You can understand customer behavior, predict future trends, and identify areas of improvement. Or perhaps you're a student researching for an important project. Smart data analytics can help you analyze vast amounts of academic data, identify relevant sources, and even predict future research trends. The possibilities are endless. From business to academia, from personal use to professional, smart data analytics can revolutionize the way you use your laptop. With smart data analytics, your laptop isn't just a device, it's your personal analyst. Ever thought about protecting your laptop from potential threats with advanced tools? Welcome to the future of cybersecurity, where artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in safeguarding your digital world. In this digital era, where our lives are intertwined with the internet, the protection of our data is of paramount importance. And that's where AI-enhanced security software comes into play. It's not your average antivirus program, it's a sophisticated shield, a virtual guardian, if you will, that uses the power of artificial intelligence to protect your laptop from various threats. So, what makes these AI-enhanced security tools stand out from the traditional ones? Well, it's their ability to learn and adapt. They are designed to evolve continually, learning from new threats and modifying their defense mechanisms accordingly. This means they can identify and combat even the most advanced malware, keeping your laptop safe and secure. Think of it as your own personalized security expert, working around the clock to keep threats at bay. It scans your system for potential vulnerabilities, identifies suspicious activities, and takes preventive measures before any real damage can occur. And the best part? It does all this in real time, ensuring you're not just reacting to threats, but proactively preventing them. Now you might be wondering, what about false alarms? That's another area where AI-enhanced security software excels. By analyzing patterns and understanding the normal behavior of your system, it significantly reduces false positives, ensuring you're alerted only when there's a genuine threat. In a nutshell, AI-enhanced security software is your first line of defense in this cyber age. It's not just about detecting and removing malware. It's about predicting and preventing cyber threats, ensuring your data remains untouched and your digital experience uninterrupted. So next time you're on your laptop, browsing the web or working on your next big project, remember, you're not alone. You've got a highly advanced AI-powered guardian watching over you, keeping your digital world safe and secure. With AI-enhanced security software, your laptop is not just a gadget, it's a fortress. Scene script, ready to explore new dimensions right from your laptop? This is more than just a rhetorical question. Welcome to the intriguing world of AI-enabled virtual reality, or VR software. A realm where the lines between the physical and virtual blur, offering an experience that is immersive, interactive, and incredibly engaging. Just imagine donning a VR headset, and within moments you're exploring the far reaches of the universe, strolling through the streets of a city halfway across the globe, or diving deep into the ocean's depths, all without leaving the comfort of your chair. That's the power of AI-enabled VR software. But the magic doesn't stop at exploration. With AI, VR becomes smarter, more intuitive. It learns from you, adapts to you. Whether you're playing a game, designing a product, or learning a new skill, the software evolves to enhance your experience, making it more personal, more real. And what about those tedious business meetings? Well, they're not so tedious anymore. AI-enabled VR software can transform them into engaging, interactive sessions. Picture yourself in a virtual conference room interacting with colleagues as though they were right there with you. It's collaboration redefined, productivity reimagined. Moreover, AI-enabled VR software is not just about entertainment or work. It's a tool for education, for therapy, for socialization. It's about connecting people, ideas, and experiences in ways we never thought possible. So what does this mean for you and your laptop? It means your laptop is no longer just a device for typing emails or watching videos. With AI-enabled VR software, it becomes a gateway, a portal to new worlds, new experiences. It becomes an instrument of discovery, of learning, of growth. So the next time you power up your laptop, remember this. You're not just booting up a machine, you're unlocking a universe of opportunities, a cosmos of experiences. With AI-backed VR software, your laptop isn't just a computer, it's a portal to other worlds. Ever dreamed of composing music like a pro? In today's world, this is no longer a far-fetched aspiration thanks to AI-backed music composition tools. These innovative software applications are bringing the power of music creation to everyone, from seasoned musicians to complete beginners. Imagine having a tool that helps you compose melodies with just a few clicks, or even by humming a tune. That's exactly what these AI tools do. They use complex algorithms to analyze your input, whether it's a tune you've hummed or a rhythm you've tapped, and turn it into a fully fleshed out melody. But that's not all. These tools can also generate harmonies to accompany your melody, creating a rich, full sound that might have taken hours to achieve in the past. They analyze the key, tempo, and rhythm of your melody and generate harmonies that perfectly complement it. Whether you're looking for a simple three-part harmony or a complex jazz chord progression, these AI tools have got you covered. And what about lyrics? For many people, this is the hardest part of songwriting, but don't fret, AI is here to help. Some AI-backed music composition tools even offer lyric generation features. They can analyze the theme, mood, and style of your music and generate lyrics that fit perfectly. And the best part? These tools are incredibly user-friendly. They're designed to be intuitive and easy to use, so even if you've never written a song before, you can start creating music in minutes. Plus, they're constantly learning and improving thanks to the power of machine learning. This means that the more you use them, the better they get at understanding your musical style and preferences. So whether you're a professional musician looking to streamline your composition process, or a music enthusiast wanting to dip your toes into songwriting, AI-backed music composition tools can make your dreams come true. With AI-backed music composition tools, your laptop is not just an instrument, it's your personal orchestra. So, have we sparked your interest in boosting your laptop's performance? In our journey today, we've explored 5 remarkable AI tools that can supercharge your laptop. From AI-powered video editing software that effortlessly transforms raw footage into stunning videos, to smart data analytics tools that revolutionize your laptop data management. We've also delved into AI-enhanced security software that shields your laptop from potential threats, and AI-enabled VR software that immerses you in a virtual world right from your laptop. And let's not forget the AI-backed music composition tools that can take your musical creativity and production to a whole new level. Each tool is designed to enhance your laptop's capabilities, streamline your tasks, and unlock a world of possibilities. AI is here to revolutionize the way we use our laptops, making them more efficient, more creative, and more secure. Remember, with these AI tools, your laptop becomes more than just a machine, it becomes a powerhouse of potential.